In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on two-step verification for your Google account. To get started, open your web browser and go to myaccount.google.com. This is the main dashboard where you can manage your Google account settings, including privacy, security, and sign-in options. Once the page loads, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Security. This section contains the most important tools for protecting your account. So if you ever need to review login activity or update sign-in settings later, this is where you'll come back. After you're in the security section, scroll until you find the area labeled How You Sign In to Google. In that section, select two-step verification. This feature adds an extra layer of protection to your account. That means even if someone gets hold of your password, they still won't be able to sign in easily without the second verification step. When the two-step verification page opens, click Get Started. Google will then ask you to enter your account password. This is a normal security step to confirm that it's really you making the change. Go ahead and type in your password and continue. Next, you'll choose how you want to set up your second verification method. In most cases, you can add a phone number to receive verification codes, or you can use an authenticator app for code generation. If you choose a phone number, make sure you enter the correct number so you can receive the code without any issues. If you prefer an authenticator app, follow the on-screen instructions carefully to connect it to your Google account. Once you've selected your preferred method, Google will send or generate a verification code. Enter that code when prompted to confirm that everything is working properly. This step is important because it verifies that you have access to the device or app you plan to use for sign-in. After the code is accepted, you'll have the option to turn on two-step verification. Confirm the setup, and your account will now have an added layer of protection. From this point forward, signing in will require both your password and your second verification method. As a final tip, make sure you keep access to the phone or authenticator app you used during setup. If you ever switch devices, it's a good idea to review your sign-in settings so you don't get locked out. And that's it. You've successfully enabled two-step verification for your Google account.